Hey guys, this is Cedric Aubry from cedricaubrey.com, and today I want to show you how to add an emoji in your subject line, exactly like the one here with the green check mark that I just sent to my Sunday freebie members. Okay, so every Saturday night I'm sending an email to my Sunday freebie.com members, and every week I get one or two emails asking me how I'm doing it. I am adding an emoji in my subject line, so it's pretty easy. I've been using the emoji in my subject line for about 3 months, and it really increased your open rate. So in Aweber, there's a feature. Let me just go to Aweber. Aweber is my autoresponder. I've been using them for over a decade, and they just introduced this new feature about 6 weeks ago. So you just have the emoji right there, so you can add an emoji. If I just click, and I can add an emoji. Okay, let me just click here, and I'm just gonna go back here. Let's say, boom, see, I can add an emoji in my subject line. But before they introduced this feature, I was going to a site called Emojipedia. So that's emojipedia.org. Once again, emojipedia.org. And you just go there and you can find all kind of emoji that you can use in your subject line. So it's in Unicode, so you just have to copy the code they give you, and you just paste that in your autoresponder subject line, and this will also work in the body of your email. So let me just click for an emoji. I will just click this one here, gift. So I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna click it once again here, and I just go here, copy. So I will copy. So I'll just go back to Aweber. Let me just delete this check mark, and I will paste this GIF from Emojipedia, and I will click save and exit. Let me just go here. I will delete this email. So we're gonna receive the new one with the code from Emojipedia. So like I said, this will work with any autoresponder. So if you're using Aweber, well, of course you already have the emoji integrate. GetResponse also have the emoji integrate. But if you're using your own autoresponder, well, you can use the code from Emojipedia. And the code will also work in safe list. So let me just show you. So that's all the email I received from a safe list called Transmail. So as you can see, nobody's used emoji in their subject line. Well, maybe this one here. So let me just show you. I will just go to my own Trendmail account. I will send an email and I will show you. So this is a cool trick to stand out from the crowd. So let me just go to email, send email. I will just load an email already sent. So let's send one from my for my sundayfreebie.com website. Okay, let's see this one here. I'm just gonna load the email. So the email is here. So I will use my credit. Okay, let me just go back, and I will copy once again this one here. Okay. Well, of course, there's all kind of emoji, and you can search by category. So that's all the smiley. You have the food and drink, activity, travel, object. I use a lot of object in my subject line. Okay, let's just go back to Trendmail. I will just go back here and I will paste my emoji. Boom. Okay, and now I will send my credit. Let me just check. I have my link ready. My subject. Let me just send this one here. Send mail. So hopefully I will receive the email and you will see how I stand out from the crowd. Okay, let me just go back to this account right here. Did I send a test email? Okay, let me send a test email. So I'm gonna receive this one here. So boom, you see? I just took the emoji from emojipedia.org and add my emoji right in my subject line. Like I said, well, I didn't add one in the body of the email, but you can do the trick in the body of the email with the Emojipedia code. Okay, now let me just go back here. Maybe I'm gonna receive my email from Transmail. Maybe not. So just a cool trick. You just have to go, like I said, to Emojipedia. You copy the code, and you copy the code in your subject line. Like I said, it's gonna work for every autoresponder, pretty much every safe list. Sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it does. But like I said, pretty much every safe list is gonna work. So when you add an emoji in the subject line, just don't put like 4 or 5. You know, it's pretty annoying for the other people. But if you just use one emoji, does the trick, eh? More people open your email. So I did not receive the email. But like I said, it's going to work in safe list, so you just stand out from the crowd, like I said. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. So once again, the name of the site is emojipedia.org. And once again, my name is Cedric Aubry from cedricaubry.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now. I just want to show you quickly that I just received the email that I sent to the safe list with the emoji, and you can see, boom, right here. So the emoji is in my subject line in the safe list. So as you can see, I stand out from the crowd here. So nobody else is using emoji. So it's a cool trick to use emoji when you're mailing to safe lists. Okay?